Well, hello there. Look at you looking all beautiful and whatnot. How do you do it? I'm Whitney and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. In today's video, we're going to be doing an eyeshadow look inspired by the Kylie and Balmain eyeshadow palette. So I've got two eyeshadow palettes that I'm using here. I'm using the Blue Blood palette by Jeffree Star and Huda's Neon Obsessions palette in pink. I've already primed my eyes with Urban Decay's primer potion and set them with Tarte Translucent setting powder. We're going into this shade right here with our E35. We're going to apply this to our crease. We're just blending these colors out a little bit more. Using that same brush, we're going into this deeper lavender shade. We're gonna apply this to our crease as well. Just wanna kinda turn that pink color into more of a bubblegum pink color.
7 whole days in my passenger seat. You're not even driving me crazy. Yeah, we stay out real late, and I don't use your name, 'cause I just started calling you baby. Now that I got you, I just tell the whole truth.
Using that same brush and that same lavender shade, we're gonna apply this to the outer corners of our eyes.
I don't gotta sing about things I never done. We got that real love, real love. I don't gotta make shit up. I don't gotta lie about falling for someone. We got that real love.
Just gonna blend this inward.
Real love. I don't gotta make shit up.
Using that same brush, we're going into this pink shade here that we did the first time, and we're gonna apply this on top of our lid in the middle. Alright, so we're reaching for our Blue Blood palette now. Grabbing our E30, we're going into the shade Mint Tea. We're going to apply this to the inner corners of our eyes. Blend it out.
Gotta make shit up.
Back to our neon palette. We're taking our E16 and going into this first shade here. We're gonna apply this underneath our lower waterline.
You take me to places I've never been. You do things that make me a better man. And bust up.
Now we're going into this purple shade, applying this to the outer corners of our eyes and more.
You got the best of me. 4 feet, take us.
We want to get most of that pigment on the outer corners.
That would be the death of me. Chances are we'll end up in a bar tonight.
Now we're going back into the shade Mint Tea. We're going to apply this to the inner corner of our lower waterline.
It's obvious there'll come a time I'll board a plane and leave behind the closest thing to home, away from home.
Taking our E21, we are going to smudge.
Won't forget nights like these ones. I'm falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on.
Using our E37, we're going to take this and blend it all over.
Falling before I go again. Falling, I'm falling before I go again. We talk late at night.
Taking our E58, we're going into the shade Entitled. We're going to apply this to the inner corners of our eyes.
And chances are we'll end up in a bar tonight where drinks turn off the filter right, put in place to hide things we both know.
Just blend a little bit with your E35.
It's obvious there'll come a time I'll board a plane and leave behind the closest thing to home.
Using our E58, we're going to go into this shade right here. We're just gonna dab this all over our eyelid.
At nights like these ones, I'm falling falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on our side.
We're gonna take our E30 and go into that same shade. We're gonna apply this only to the inner corners of our eyes. I'm gonna apply my Grande Lash Primer and my Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes Mascara off camera. Also off camera, I decided to apply a little bit of Chill Peel and Don't Slip from Kylie's Summer 2018 collection. Here's the final look. If you guys would like to see my Kylie and Balmain collab review, I will go ahead and leave a link in the description box. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like it and hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys, later.
Is on our side, I'm falling before I go again.
I spent 7 whole years writing what they wanna hear, an author of fictional stories. I've been filling the space with romantic cliches.